Hi guys, we're watching the fireworks. Look, guys.
Are you recording?
Boom, boom. Yes, I'm recording. Boom. My camera's shaking, but this is beautiful when it's shaking. Boom.
It's gorgeous.
This is pretty. Woo!
We're so close, guys.
Boom.
We're so close to the fireworks. Look how it looks like we're right underneath.
It's so big.
Wow, it's a spectacular show.
Yeah.
This is our second one this month. Well, we saw one on
Sesame Place.
On Memorial Day, and then
we saw a fireworks show at Sesame Place, and we're seeing a fireworks show here. This is awesome. I love this. This is my favorite. Remember, I said in Sesame Place. Okay, again. Look.
I love this.
Wow. I mean, I see them in computers. Actually, you know what, Mommy? They're way bigger than you see them in computers. I was actually right. They're so big. Look, guys. Big one. Boom. Wow, so big. I'm enjoying myself. Boom.
You want to go outside and see it?
No, I like in the car because it's way quieter.
Okay.
Okay, this is beautiful.
Do you want to go outside with the headphones on?
No.
Okay.
Ooh, baby firework!
Look at that!
Beautiful!
So pretty. Are you
Look
still
at
recording?
Yeah, I'm sure. Look, guys.
Show your audience, they want to see it. Wow, that's nice.
Oh, another one up there. And look at that smoke. Look, guys. Look. Wow. Boom. Look, they're spraying.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, my gosh.
Oh.
Oh. Is that?
Yes.
Yes.
Pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop. Boom, boom. The noise. Wow, look at that.
Right, you're not even showing your audience.
Okay, fine. I will do it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm showing my audience now.
Okay,
Okay.
if you want to see it and not video, that's fine too, sweetie. You don't have to show the video.
Because it's way bigger in real life. Look at that smoke. Wow. Boom. Boom.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
It was
It's
green and pink and
big.
beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful fireworks. I love
this.
I love the glitter.
Oh, it's so pretty, these glittery ones.
Oh my gosh.
They're like
It's
little shooting stars.
yeah. Boom. Boom. Crack. Crack.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Snap, crack a pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. This is not even scary. This is beautiful.
Do you want to try to see it outside?
I'll try, but
You want to try? Let's go outside.
let me wear my earmuffs.
Okay. Wear your earmuffs.
Whoa.
I don't want you to miss it, though. Where did you put the earmuffs?
Oh, I know. Where did I put the earmuffs? Oh.
Where did you put
Boom,
the earmuffs?
boom, boom. Boom. Hold on. Where
Where did you put the earmuffs?
I don't know. Never mind,
You gotta be
Mommy.
kidding me.
Never mind.
All right, let's go outside.
Huh?
You want to go outside?
No.
Too loud?
No, it's not that loud.
You want to go outside?
No, yeah. Maybe my speakers are good too. Yes. Yes.
Come here. I want you to see it.
Come on. Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
It's okay.
Pop, pop. Boom. It's so loud.
It's loud?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can see your earmuffs. I don't know what happened to them.
It's vibrating my chest.
Do you want to go back in the car?
Yeah.
All right, go in. Go in the car.
Boom!
Go in
So
the car.
loud.
Okay, go in the car. Go in the car. Okay.
It's very loud when I go outside.
It's better in the car. You're right.
It's better in the car. It's so loud. Whew. Whew, that's.
Look at the glare. You missed it. You missed it.
Oh, the big ones are loud. Boom. I mean,
It's just weird that I can't find your earmuffs.
oh, I know. I know what I can still do if I cannot find my earmuffs. Yay! Yay! There's a line. Boom! It's a spraying line, actually. Boom. Wow. Shoot. Boom. Boom. Glitter. I love that glitter. Boom. I can see them from here. I'm sure. Pop. Pop. Boom. 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 It's too loud outside, Mommy.
It's okay. I'm just wondering where your headphones went.
I'm trying to be brave outside, but it's
I
too...
know. You did. I'm very proud of you, sweetie. You did fine. You did great.
I mean, I think my speakers are gonna be good if it's loud, but wow, big. You see, look, that's my Sharon skull. Remember? Okay, you can see the fireworks now. Green. I'm going to tell the colors. Okay. Wait a minute. There's too many colors. Wait on. Green, pink, red. Rainbow. Rainbow again. Pink. Green.
They're beautiful.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, not the cracking yet. It looks like
This is gorgeous.
Wow. I can't wait until the finale starts.
Happy Robbinsville Day.
Happy Robbinsville Day, guys. Wow, that's a cool one.
It's so nice in Robbinsville, Kentucky.
Yeah. Boom. I can see them. It's a light shine. Look at that. Boom. I mean, I keep saying boom, but boom, boom, boom. It reminds me of last year because the fireworks are similar. That's why it reminds me of that. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful.
Baby, you're a firework.
You're singing the fire.
I'll let your colors burst. Make them go,
You're singing the fireworks song now? Wow! Let me make my camera bigger so they can see. Wow, that's beautiful. I love those stars. It looks like light. It looks like that light right there, actually. I mean, they're the same, actually. What matters? This is fun still. Look at that line going up. Oh my gosh. Beautiful! I love saying that.
I wonder what fireworks would look like in broad daylight. I mean, obviously you wouldn't see them as much, but it'd be interesting to see what they look like.
Boom! 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 That's a big one.
Nice.
Nice big one. Wow! Glitter! Crack!
Snap, crackle, pop.
Snap, crackle, pop! Crack, crack,
The sky is
crack!
illuminated.
Huh?
The sky is illuminated.
Yep. The fireworks stars look like the glitter. Actually, that's a glittery one. Boo. Boo. Now my voice does not sound like I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I can't with Lily anymore. Anyways, let's watch the fireworks. This is fun. I can't wait to upload this on YouTube. Look at that smoke. Boom. I mean, it's too loud outside. I keep saying that. Anyways, look. Look, guys. Is it gonna be a better view for you guys? Wait on. Oh my gosh! Wow! Bada boom!
Bada boom, bada boom.
It sounds like the finale. That boom. Wow. Crack. Oh, crack. Crack. Crack
I
one.
think we're almost at the finale. Maybe not. I don't know. Boom, 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 boom.
I don't think it's the finale yet. What?
No.
Wait, what? Oh, pop, 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 pop. Boom. Pop, pop, pop. I love those pop ones. It sounds nice. Boom. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that laugh?
Mm-hmm.
That was funny. Look, guys. See the firework? I'm recording the wrong thing. Sorry. Look at that smoke. I mean, the smoke is not the same color in real life, but anyways. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that spectacular show. Look at that line. Oh, look at those lines. That's what I said last time. Oh, look at those lines. That's what I said. Wow. Wow. Boom. Pop. Boom. This is fun.
Ooh, beautiful glitter.
Wow, look at that. Boom. Oh, this camera's blurry. See? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow, a spectacular show. Boom. Those people are doing a good job. Those are the fireworks. Oh, look at this. I mean, I can't see the smoke from here, but anyways. I just love seeing the fireworks. This is beautiful. Boom, boom, look up there. Beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. Boom! I don't think there's heart firework. I don't know yet, but anyways. The shooting it sounds like Sesame Place. Mm-hmm. Did you hear the shooting sounds like this?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sweetie, I did.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at those brown lines. Wow. Blue star one. Or, I mean, last year I said color ones with the stars.
Mm-hmm. This is a nice show. It's like longer than the Sesame Place show, right?
Yes.
I feel like the Sesame Place show wasn't very long, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is fun watching the show. Actually, I will love it. Whoa, whistlers!
That's the finale, guys. Show your audience.
That's yay finale! Boom!
Beautiful finale. It's gorgeous. Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Wow, look at that smoke! That's a crazy finale. Whoa! That's a boom boom. Boom 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 boom. Yay! It's over.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
gonna zip on out of here.
Yay, it's over. All right. All right, bye guys. The show is over. Bye guys.